With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So question here is which of the following is not a component of this saliva? Okay. So talking about saliva here, what is the saliva? We know that saliva is present in our mouth, and this one is the watery fluid that produced in our mouth. So in our mouth, it is produced or secreted by the gland called as the salivary glands. Okay. And the function of here saliva, the saliva in our mouth is act as the lubricant. Okay. Lubricant, and it lubricate the food. Whenever we take the food, whenever food enters in our mouth, so this saliva is lubricate the food so that the food easily, okay, it can easily digest. Okay. So when we're talking about the options here, the first option is the saliva contains electrolytes such as the sodium, potassium, chlorine, and bicarbonate ions. So here the statement is correct because this saliva contains the electrolytes play important role in the lubrication. Okay, lubrication of the food. Here these ions, these electrolytes are mainly responsible for the lubrication purpose. Okay, lubrication of the food. So here this option is correct. They are the component of the saliva. Next is the ptyalin, that is the salivary amylase also. So yes, this is also the component of the saliva. This salivary amylase is also called as the ptyalin. Okay, and this is the enzyme. Okay, and this enzyme is present. Okay, so they can digest the food. Okay, here these enzymes are capable for the breakdown. Okay, they can break down the food molecules, such as they can break down the starch, and they break the starch into the simple sugars, such as we can take examples such as the maltose. Okay, maltose and dextrin. Okay, dextrin. So we can say that here they break down the starch into the simpler sugar such as the maltose and dextrin, and then they both further break down into the intestine. Small intestine. So here this option is also correct, that enzyme play important role in the saliva. Okay. Next is the mucin, lysozymes, and thiocyanates are ions. Okay, thiocyanates ions are also the component of the saliva. So here this one also correct because these are the ions present in the saliva. Okay, and this salivary gland, that present in mouth is responsible for the production of these compounds. Okay, these ions. Okay, and these enzymes are also called as these ions are also called as the peroxidase. Okay, peroxidase enzymes, and as well as it also secretes the thiocyanate ion. Okay, this thiocyanate ion play an important role here. Okay, this thiocyanate ion break down the activity of the food and also perform the antibacterial activity. That's why they are important in the saliva. Okay, saliva function. So this one is also correct. Next is the antibody IgM. So this option is incorrect for our question. Why? Because saliva doesn't contain antibody IgM. It contains the antibody IgA. Okay. So saliva and tear both contains the IgA antibody. So the correct answer for our question is which is incorrect, is the antibody IgM. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, ITG and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.